You are witnessing the wonder and beauty of industrial manufacturing and recycling, where scrap metals and all our discarded materials are transformed into new objects. In this video, we present the recycling process of discarded materials and their transformation into gym weight plates in a precise and concise way. In a way that you wouldn't even imagine how these plates are made. This experienced craftsman begins the molding process by starting with a weight in a special molding clay. After placing the weight inside the mold, the craftsman constructs the mold's frame, covers it with special molding clay, and finally creates a cavity on the side for the casting process, allowing the material to flow into the mold from that opening. After this stage and completing the molding process, the craftsman must remove the weight from the mold without causing any damage to it. The main weight used in the molding process is set aside, and special powdered materials are poured into the casting mold to enhance its strength. The mold is closed again to proceed to the main stage of the process, which is casting. The workshop contains a pile of unusable metals that can no longer be used in their original form, from train wheels to engine blocks and cylinder heads of machines. These metals are broken or cut by a craftsman, then placed into the metal furnace where the process of creating composite materials begins. After melting and transferring, the material is poured into the mold, and after a few hours, once the mold has cooled, it is broken open and the weights are removed. You are witnessing materials that have been recycled and astonishingly transformed. These plates are set aside after a light finishing process, ready for the full coating procedure to be applied. Pipes and plastic or rubber materials, like tubes and unusable hoses, are fed into a roller where they are crushed, then mixed with plastic powder and a type of adhesive to form a pliable, clay-like consistency. This dough-like material is even spread out on a flat table and then cut to specified dimensions. The cut pieces are placed, along with the weights, under a press where, with high physical pressure and elevated temperature, the coating process is fully completed. After coating, the plates are removed from the mold and finished again. Empty spaces inside the weights are filled with molding rubber. In this stage, where finishing is done manually, a person uses a sharp blade to trim the excess coating remaining on the plates and then moves them to the next stage. Finally, the weights are washed and, in the last stage, they are packaged and boxed. The tradition of recycling in manufacturing has always been fascinating. If you are interested in such videos, you can follow this channel to expand your knowledge, and we'd be happy to hear your thoughts about this video.